Hey everyone, Morbo here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can set up Streamlabs OBS themes so your stream will look nice and fly. We're gonna import a custom theme and we're gonna import a custom alert. Now, what you need is, of course, Streamlabs OBS. Link will be in the description below, and you also need your Twitch account set up. If you want to stream, just go to twitch.tv and register yourself an account. Now, anyway, so you install Streamlabs OBS and you get this blank screen and you have no idea what up next. So what you want is that your stream looks a bit professional. So there are multiple themes. When you click here at the top on themes, you're gonna see there's 44 pages of free available themes. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna just pick the first one. You click it, and then you go to Install Overlay at the right side. It's gonna add a fresh scene collection in your editor, and there you go. Now, this first one we can remove. That's just the thank you for using the theme explanation. So what you see now on the left are your scenes, and on the right are your sources. Now, what a scene is, for example, here you have your stream starting scene. So it's just your image, my stream is starting soon. If you want to go to your game, you go to your games screen and all of that. Now, how can you customize it? Well, it's pretty easy. You see like your name, you right click it. If my PC wants to go on. There we go. So you right click it, you click on properties, and then you just change it to whatever you want. You can also change the font, the size, the colors, so it's very customizable. You click done, and now you get Morbo Al's stream starting. It's the same for the social media stuff here. So if you want to change those, Twitch URL, you just right click, go to properties where it says Twitch URL. You just type your Twitch thingy, you click done, and then you do it for your Twitter, YouTube if you have a YouTube. If you have a schedule, you can change that one also. Now, let's say you don't have a schedule and you don't want this thing to be seen by your viewers. You can just click this little eyeball icon and it just removes it. Well, it's still there, but you know, it just hides it. So that's our stream starting. Now, you can also fully customize this in the colors that you want. For this one, we go to the blue thingy right here. Now, what you're gonna do here is you right click and go to filters. Now, when you click the little plus symbol, you can add a color correction. And let's say you want this red, so you click on the red thingy, a little bit more gamma, a little bit more contrast, a lot more brightness for me. Done, and there you go. Now you have like a red stream, whatever. So you can also do it with like the stream starting text if you want that to be red. Let's see. You right click, go to filters, put in a color correction, again go to red, up the brightness like a lot in this case, and there you go. Now you actually go with the red theme instead of the blue. Now, so you do this for your stream ending and your stream be right back, so everything is like customized with your information on it. Now, if you want to have a just chatting window, now for this overlay theme, you have support bars, which I do not like, so I'm gonna just hide them. And you also have two webcam overlays. So you have the 16 one, which is the bigger one, and then you have a 4x4, 4:3, which is a smaller one. So also here you can customize your text. So you know, but what we want to do is add a webcam. So we click on the little plus symbol, We go to video capture device, add source. We're gonna name this one webcam. Click on add new source, and then in this list of devices you choose your webcam, you click done. And then you can see like your webcam is over the overlay and we want to overlay over the webcam. So what we do is just left click on webcam that we just created and put it underneath the layer of our you know, overlay. Now when you click shift and drag, you can actually drag this in the correct size that you want, just like that. And well, I didn't do a really good job. You can also use like your arrow keys. I'm actually moving the yeah, I'm moving the webcam overlay, not the webcam, but whatever. So you can see my webcam is now positioned perfectly. Okay. Now, when you want to go in-game, this team has a 3x supporter and 4x supporter. What it means is just here you can see 3 thingies, and here you can see 4 thingies, and also over here. So if you don't really want that bar, you can just click it away. I want to keep the bottom part though. Also for the webcam, I'm gonna use the 16 one this time instead of the 4 one. I'm gonna position it here. You can just click and position it wherever you want. And then I'm gonna add a webcam again. So again, go to video capture device. But because we already added a webcam, we can add an existing source, which is going to be this webcam. Put it underneath the thing. Shift click to actually like crop it perfectly where we want. And now one last thing to do is your game. So for this, I'm gonna open up Steam and I'm gonna open up Rocket League, because that is the game that we are going to use, because that's the game that we want to stream, I guess. Now Rocket League is opening. Give it just a second, because my PC is a bit slower. Now you can see Rocket League is opened. So what we do now in our OBS is we click the little plus to add a new source. We want game capture, because it's a game that we're gonna add. Add source. You just rename your source. I'm gonna rename it Rocket League. For me, I'm gonna pick capture a specific window. You can also do like capture any full screen application, but for me this is easier. And then in the window you can see I have game bar, I have a main window of AP Center, Streamlabs, but here you can see Rocket League.exe. So I'm gonna click that one, click done, and there you go, Rocket League is now into your scene. All you have to do now is drag it to the bottom, because you want your overlays to be visible, and there you go, you're ready to stream. Now, you also want, of course, alerts. So how do you do that? Well, if you go into teams, you also see, instead of scene teams, you have widget teams. Now what are these? These are actually your alert boxes. So let's use this one, cat power. We go to the right side and we go select all. So it says now widgets 1. We're gonna install. So you can see in your scenes now it added an alert box. I'm gonna drag it like somewhere over here, and if we go to test widgets, there you go, your widget is actually added. It's that easy. That's like 10 seconds and it's there. So all you have to do now to start streaming is go live, and you're actually live on Twitch. So I'm just gonna show you this. This is the live view in Streamlabs OBS. If you don't see your chat, there's a little arrow here at the side. You click this one, you can see your chat, you can see your preview window, and all of your like scenes are right here. So at the beginning, of course, you want the stream starting. If you click this little pencil at the top, you can set your title, set your game, and then confirm and go live, and you will go live instantly. Or you can click go live and then you can go live with your previous settings that you set right over here. So yeah, so you click go live, your stream is starting, your viewers are coming in, and then you just click, you know, your game thingy, it goes to your game, and happy streaming, I guess. So that's the tutorial for me. I hope it was useful for you guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and there's also of course a link to Streamlabs OBS if you want to try this for yourself. Good luck and bye bye.